If you want to be one of the cool parents, come on down and check out this 2016 LTZ Suburban. This thing is super clean. This thing is fully loaded with power windows, locks, mirrors, memory seating, electric trailer brakes, heads-up display, bucket seats with console, leather-wrapped steering wheel, large touchscreen radio with Sirius XM, color backup camera, navigation to help you get home, independent controls for heated and cooled seats. Oh, and looky here, a hidden compartment to charge those small electronics. Overhead controls for the rear hatch and moonroof. In the middle row, we have captain seats for easy access to the third row. Check out the dual overhead DVD players for those long trips. You also have heated rear seats. And in the back, you'll notice that there is standard cargo space for all your luggage and sports equipment. Use these buttons right here to flip down those power seats so you can haul more equipment and groceries and Christmas presents.